Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a post on Strava. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will reveal my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First go to Strava, and here you can see the plus icon. Click on that, and here you have three options like posts, and you can type something here. You can add a photo. Okay, and here you can add an optional title, and this is for this post. And if this video was helpful for you, please consider subscribing. Wish you a very beautiful day. Bye bye.